So this is the test setup. I use the battery connected to the back from this power distribution board with the 5-volt output that goes to the video transmitter, which is a Yashin video transmitter. The camera is connected to the video transmitter and it's capable of audio because the white audio cable goes to it. So, and for the goggles for reception, I use a Fat Shark goggle that's connected to this Bluetooth speaker via the headphone jack on the bottom. So first we're powering the goggles. Then we're powering the flight controller. Then you can see the video here, the video feed. See, the camera is working. It's all fine. But here's the microphone. When I'm talking to the microphone, you cannot hear from the box any sound. There's nothing coming out here. Nothing. And for testing that the sound of this of this VTX is working, I disconnect the camera and I have the ground and the audio pin. So I'm touching the ground and the audio pin with this. Now you hear the music coming from the box, from the MP3 player over the air. Now we're connecting one more time the camera. Now again I'm talking and I'm holding the phone right next to the speaker and nothing is coming out. It's zero. Hello, 1 2 3 test. Hello, 1 2 3 test.